Hello, I'm Janelle. Welcome back to my channel. We are going to do a lazy girl walk today, 1,500 steps inside your house, no equipment needed, no jumping, low impact, and fun. Let's start with some marches. Don't forget to like and subscribe because new walking videos come out every single week. And if you make it to the end, there may be a little surprise for you. If you don't have time to make it to the gym today, or if you're just looking for something easy, quick, burn some calories, get some steps, this is so easy and fun. And if you're seeing this video, that might be your sign to get your steps in today. It's just 10 minutes. Give it all you got. Add in some arms if you want to. If you can't, that's okay too. Do what feels right. Do what feels good for your body. Moving into knee lifts. If you want, you can add an optional arm. Pull down, feel that crunch in your abs. If not, no problem, stay right here. Both are good. Any movement is better than no movement. You're doing great. Moving into some tap backs. Keep breathing. Hang in there. Moving into grapevines. You can add a little clap if you want. I love this movement. This is one of my favorites. If you're still with me, we're halfway there. Look at you go. I don't know about you. Feeling warm, feeling good. you're still here, you're doing amazing. Stick with me. Moving into some tap backs. Stay with me, we're close. We're in those last couple of minutes. Keep breathing. Hang in there. Woo! You did it. Step it out, march it out, do whatever you need to do to cool down. Woo! You did it. 1,500 steps, 10 minutes. You gave it your all. Woo! I don't know about you, but I feel so good. These give me so much energy, these little bits of movement. I love these. Woo! A little bit of a cool down. And if you made it this far, congratulations. Not only did you get a workout in, but I'm gonna put a little Starbucks gift card, have a coffee on me, please, just one per person so that as many people can get it as they can. I love you guys. I love walking with you. I love chatting with you. I love this community. Don't forget to like, subscribe, new videos every single Sunday. I'm proud of you for finishing today. I'll see you next Sunday.